Welcome to this tutorial here. Let me show you can remove a iPhone X battery. You have to lose this cover. This particular one only has 3 knots on it. You have to lose that. Once I've done that, you remove it. Then next thing you will do, you use a tool, any tool at all, and remove this tape cover head. Once you remove the head, then you start rolling it gradually, because it has a gum, and that gum is holding the battery under. The gum is what is holding the battery to the casing or the housing. You can see the way I'm removing it here gradually, because if you force that, it's going to cut. So you might not end up remove all of them, depending on how good the battery is, because this battery is bad. But you have to try, because once you remove them, the battery will be easy to be detached from the phone casing or the phone housing or from the phone. So look at another one here. Gradually you remove the tape from the battery head and start rolling it. Please, if you can't be careful with the SCD, you have to remove it before doing this to avoid damaging the SCD. Sorry, this one has cuts. I know it didn't finish removing, so let me try it again here. Okay, there's one remaining here. Good. You can see the gum coming out, so I'm rolling it. Once you apply small force, it will cut. And the funny thing about it, see, it has cuts. I know it has not removed finish, but it will remain small. So let me do this one. You keep on rotating the tool you are using, because the more you rotate it, the more it pulls the gum from under the battery. If you don't know this, you might spend hours trying to remove an iPhone battery. But once you know this, within few minutes or few seconds, you are good to go. I'll keep on pulling it. When you pull a little bit away, you rotate. When you pull gently, you rotate. Yes, cut. And now I've not removed. So this is my usual way of removing Android battery. So let me use the same method and remove the remaining gum, so that I can so that I can remove the battery entirely without much difficulties. If you don't know how to use this, please watch any of my videos that talked about how to remove battery from Android phone. You raise it up small because it's easy. You can see some gum under. So let me remove that one as well. I will rotate this. Once you rotate it, you will pull it out. Good. Well, had it been the whole gum was removed from from the method we use, you don't need to stress yourself. You can just remove this battery and put another one.